like I'm a post, niggas know we get
So much
it.
shit.
Every day we come true with the fresh gear. Niggas know every day we pop it, new bird, take a sip of the motherfucking beer. Niggas know we see everything crystal clear. No haters down here, just friends out here. Niggas know if it's a problem, then we come true like it's a
I will smoke the last cigarette, man. Yo, niggas tryna fuck with me. I have you falling off the wall like roly-poly. I roll up with that fucking gun like the police, and I shoot you in the face because shot is not cheap. You fucking with me, nigga, then there'll be a beef. Your mama bride crying all over the fucking street. I shoot you up with a bitch at the motherfucking beach. Because my gun speak French, so my gun don't speak. Because I'm a fucking beast, and I eat niggas for feast.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Better know what it is. What is fuck? We get money every day, nigga. Count money out, yeah. Yeah, nigga. We get money every day. That's what we do, nigga. Ain't no nigga can fuck with us, yeah. We're the sickest in Toronto. Better know this shit. Nigga, yeah. I'm a fucking billionaire. Soon I'ma be a chillionaire. Got a million here. Got a fucking million there. Yeah, got a million every fucking where. Niggas hating cause I'm stuntin'. Call me young stuntin'. I getting money, 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 money. Money fucking bags, nigga. Cause I'm bad, nigga. Wake up in the morning, take a motherfucking jag, nigga. I'm truly a fucking hustler. Motherfucker, I got so much customer. I turn off my phone sometime. I ain't choke, but I swear sometime my phone is like a fucking goat. Yeah, the one that I sell, the pot.